This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So a few days ago, our new friend TK, who was also our food guide in another video, he invited us to a Malaysian open house. We had no idea what that meant, so we had to look it up. It says it is unique to Malaysia. The open house concept is where during various cultural and religious festivals, such as Chinese New Year or Ramadan or Christmas, friends, families, and even strangers would visit the homes of those who are celebrating the festival to wish them well and enjoy the feast prepared by the host. This sounds like a huge party. We are definitely in, so join us to see what a Malaysian open house is all about.
First, let me introduce you to our new ride here in KL. I don't know much about cars, but this is a 1992 Land Rover Defender. Thank you to our wonderful neighbor in Samui who lent this to us, so we're gonna have this for a few days.
Yay! It looks pretty sick.
I think when we were driving this around, we got more looks than people driving Ferraris.
For sure.
Happy Chinese New Year, hi. Thank you for having us. Go ahead, Thailand. Thailand. Yeah. Do you speak Thai?
No, I cannot. Only a Sawadika.
No, hello.
Hi.
Flora, happy New Year.
Hi, Happy New Year. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีไหม
สบายดีครับผม
นิดหน่อยครับ
I really like this because it feels really homey, you know? Everyone just enjoying home cooked meal. Look at that.
So before we got to the house, we actually stopped at a restaurant because TK wanted to buy something for us to bring here, because in Chinese culture, you cannot go to someone's house empty-handed. So we went to buy something called yisang, which is a appetizer. It is like a mix of different ingredients, and it is something that people would eat for Chinese New Year here in Malaysia.
She's mixing it right now.
Yeah, she's putting it on. We've never had this before. We've only seen people.
Okay, this is the one. This is the plum sauce. Then everything will be mixed together, and they will use the chopsticks to put
To
it
toss?
toss as high as possible.
And what's the reason behind tossing the
For
sauce?
good health, good wealth, prosperity.
So the higher you toss, the better.
Yeah.
So all the food will be stuck to the ceiling. You have to roll, roll. I think it's very well mixed now.
Yes.
It means everyone gonna get good luck, good health, prosperity.
That's awesome.
Correct.
The plum sauce is so nice.
Yeah, the plum and ginger, it's really nice. Is it raw? Raw plum.
Yeah.
Awesome. There's pomelo as well.
Pomelo too.
Very refreshing. We have to toss this one too.
Yeah, later. But it's all set already for people to toss.
I like coming to like Asian house party because we know how to prepare food and there's so many options to choose from. Look at that.
There is one snack we have to try though. They've been saying that there is like a glutinous rice cake that we really need to try.
新加坡叫布魯特根，我哋檳城人叫布魯底底。So there's actually a lot of names, but it's the same grade。係南花，呢個叫南花糕。
This kind of reminds me of like, you know, like the sticky rice in Thailand. It's a bit like a sweet rice with some sweet sauce on top. It's really good though. It's perfect with the kaya jam.
Very good.
This is quite a unique experience, I think, for us, especially because we've been traveling a lot and we don't get to spend a lot of the holidays like Chinese New Year with our family. So being invited to someone's house for Chinese New Year like this is a very special occasion.
And the hospitality is out of this world. Like, we are strangers. We don't know anyone here, but they make us feel like right at home. So most people come in, toss the salad, the noodles, and have a few bites of the food. And
Chat, give out some red pockets.
then, and then leave.
They may leave, and some people may stay longer. So it is like more casual type of gathering than what I'm used to. In Hong Kong, when I was younger, I remember like certain family members would host certain days during Chinese New Year, but it was like a full day event. You stay for dinner, there's lots of food, karaoke, like it's a long day. But here it's like drop in, drop out, say hi, say Happy New Year, wish people luck.
And I see at least like 50 plus people walking in. It's a big party.
Real quick, there's a lot of behind the scenes work that goes into our brand Flora and Note, and one of them is managing our website that we built using Squarespace. One of our favorite features is the Squarespace app that lets us make quick changes on the go, and we can also check our analytics to see where our visitors are coming from. For inexperienced website builders like us, we appreciate having access to the resources in their help center. We are currently learning how to create and manage a blog to make our website a more useful resource to you. Just head over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/floraandnote to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Now let's get back to the video. So most of them look pretty young.
Yes, so most of them are youths. They are actually from Buddhist groups called DJI. If you see the shirt, it says Zaman Duta Youth Group.
Yeah.
So this group of youngsters only train just before Chinese New Year, and then they perform during Chinese New Year.
And then they go house to house during
House to
this
house,
time.
offices, school. Yeah, this is all done normally like a month before Chinese New Year. They'll practice almost every day.
Wow. You see what's in his hand there?
Firecrackers. That's a lot of firecrackers. Is this a safe area to stand?
They will come here, they will go in there, they will pray.
But where's the firecrackers?
Outside.
Oh, okay. We're okay.
Like the inside.
Okay.
It's going to be really loud. You're going to have to watch from here.
Crazy how they can make it look so real. It's like they come alive, you know? Their tails are wiggling, their eyes are flipping.
Okay, thank you everyone.
I can try it? Yeah, sure. Oh, yes, please. Everyone's watching, I'm nervous now. That's it.
Well, you got to move something.
Shake your hands up and down. Put your hands up and down.
I think you might need a couple years of practice.
How do I flip them out? Oh, I have to use one hand.
Yeah, one of your hands. It's a hand like that.
Yeah.
So you can.
Oh my god, this is so hard. How do you move my ear?
Inside there's the string
This string here, you pull this string.
Your hands are holding this.
Yes, but when we are doing that, one hand is holding here, this hand will instead move to here. So the other hand will be holding this, one hand will be supporting here.
Wow, you're very talented. How long have you been doing?
I've been doing this for 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, this is my 3rd year.
Wow, so cool.
I'm gonna do everything at once.
Okay.
Harder.
Pull the string harder, yeah.
Harder, yeah. Next year you doing it in my house, okay? Okay? Next year you do it in my house.
Wow, that's so hard. Lots of respect to you guys. That's really hard work.
How many minutes were you inside for? You're sweating.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. They were doing it for an hour. That's insane. So what do you think about our first Malaysian open house experience?
It was super fun. There's so much going on, like the food, the lion dance, the snacks, the warm hospitality, and we were so lucky to be invited by the host to be able to experience this.
And the warm welcome by their friends and their family as well. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. And as always, have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Nice meeting you all.
Hope to see you guys again soon.
Yes. 恭喜發財，恭喜發財。
Thank you so much, you too. Thank
When
you.
one day you become very big, please come visit us.
We'll come and celebrate here at your house. Thank you. Bye bye.